Hello everybody, it's your boy Jeremy. Welcome to Smart Money Hub, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get free tokens into your Trust Wallet account. I've made this video before, but I still want to update you guys to know how it's being done. And for those of you who are stumbling across this video for the first time, you're in luck and it is coming right up. Now, first thing first, you want to go to your Play Store. All right, if you don't have your Trust Wallet, you need to go to your Play Store and you search for your Trust Wallet. Okay, now you come up into your search bar and you go for Trust Wallet. And now this is the app, so you get to install this app. All right, when you install this app, you can create wallets, and one thing I like about this app is you can create multiple wallets in it and you can still claim your tokens. All right, so now let me go straight to my own Trust Wallet and show you guys how this is done. I've claimed. Okay, now here is my wallet. All right, so these are the tokens that we're going to be focusing on today. Now you can see beyond this. Now these are the free tokens. All these are the tokens. You can see them. These are the tokens. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it in a few seconds. Alright, so stay tuned to the end of this video so you don't miss out on anything. So the first thing you're going to be doing is coming over to this place after you've opened the Trust Wallet. Okay, you come here to your settings. So when you click on your settings, you can come to your wallet over here. Alright, now I have 3 wallets, and let me show you another thing. You can just click on this place and you can create another wallet. That's the beautiful thing. So if you already have a wallet, that's cool, but if you want to create 10 wallets in your Trust Wallet, you can. So I advise you to create like 5, 10, and for the tokens I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be dropping the token address. So for every wallet you create, you can go and put the token in there and save it, for future use and even for right now. So I'm going to be coming to this my wallet here. So because I have not added any of the tokens here, so I'm going to show you guys how you can add that token. So you come to this part. When you click here, now you come up in here. Now you can't find the token, so you have to scroll down to add custom token. So when you click on add custom token, this page pops up. So all you need to do right here is to add the address I'm going to be putting in the description of this video. So if you're getting content, if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you cannot miss out anytime I drop new video. So without further ado, let me show you what you got to do next. So you come down here too. Let me grab some of. Now this is the token address, right? So let me copy this and show you something. When I copy this, I go straight back into my Trust Wallet and I paste it in this section, the contact address. And now when I paste it, you see, I click on this paste here. Just watch out what's gonna happen. Now you can see, let me go back. Now the name of the token just came out, 360 Dapp token. Alright, so now when I click on done, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's watch this part. Now we've gotten it. Now this is the token. Now this is a free token. It's an airdrop. Alright, and it's going to be listed on Binance very soon. So I urge you guys to save this token in your wallet. Now we've gotten one token. Okay, so now you can still come back here to this add custom token, and you had another token. Now you go back and you pick up another address, and now I pick up this one also, and I copy this. And I go back to my Trust Wallet because I trust the wallet. So when I paste this in the contract address and I click on this paste, you wait up and the name pops up again. You see, when you're done with that, you click on done, and let's see what's coming up. Let's see. Now you're getting it. So this is what I want you guys to do. You can do. It's calling me now. All right. So you can do this, and for every single wallet that you want to create, you can just pick up the token address that's going to be the comment section, and you can keep getting this token saved up. Alright, so let's go for another one right now. I had custom token. I go back and I pick another one. I pick this and I copy and go back again. I paste this. Look at it. Now let me click on done. When I go on done, let's watch what we're gonna have now. This is it. So it's nothing hard, alright, because I'm gonna be giving you guys the contact address. So it's just open your wallet. If you don't have a Trust wallet, you go to your Play Store and you download the Trust wallet. Okay, that's it. So I hope you guys have gotten content from this video. I'm gonna be coming your way with another quick tip on how to get more tokens and more airdrops. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video.